If you're seeing the Epic Games error that says the request could not be completed, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a really common launcher issue, and it can happen because of corrupted cache files, permission problems, or even a VPN interfering with the connection. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Make sure it is not running in the background. You can check the system tray near the clock and exit it fully if needed. This step matters because we want the launcher to be fully shut down before we clear any files. Next, press Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. In the box, type %localappdata% and press Enter. This will open the local app data folder on your computer. Now look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Inside, find the saved folder. This is where the launcher stores temporary cache files, and these files can become corrupted over time. Open the saved folder and look for a folder named Webcache. On some systems, you may also see a folder called Webcache_4430. Delete the Webcache folder or delete both if they are present. Don't worry, this will not delete your games or your account. It only removes cached launcher data, so Epic can rebuild it fresh the next time you open it. Once that is done, close the folder and restart your computer if possible. Then right-click the Epic Games Launcher and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with admin permissions can fix launch and sign-in issues caused by restricted access on your system. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your VPN or network connection. Sometimes a VPN can block Epic Games services or trigger a request failure. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try launching Epic Games again. Also make sure any proxy settings or firewall rules are not interfering with the launcher. If you are still having trouble, try signing out and signing back into your Epic account, and make sure your internet connection is stable. In some cases, simply clearing the cache and relaunching as administrator is enough to get everything working again. So to quickly recap, close the launcher, open %localappdata%, delete the Epic Games Launcher saved Webcache folder, run Epic Games as administrator, and disable any VPN that might be causing conflicts. Those steps solve this error for a lot of users. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot, and I'll keep making simple tutorials that save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.